Hey there. Have you ever wondered how to streamline your communication and collaboration? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of RingCentral, a powerful cloud-based communication platform that can revolutionize how you connect with your team and clients. Imagine a world where you can make and receive calls, send and receive messages, and even hold video conferences all from one convenient platform. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with RingCentral, it's a reality. Before we jump into the setup process, let's quickly understand why RingCentral is such a game changer. It offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to large enterprises. Key features: unified communications. RingCentral brings together your phone, email, and messaging into a single platform, eliminating the need to juggle multiple applications. Video conferencing. Host high-quality video meetings with screen sharing and recording capabilities, making collaboration a breeze. Team messaging. Communicate instantly with your team members through chat, group chats, and file sharing. Call center features. If you have a customer support team, RingCentral offers advanced call center features like call routing, IVR, and analytics. Setting up your RingCentral account. Now, let's get down to business and set up your RingCentral account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create an account. Visit the RingCentral website and sign up for a free trial or paid plan. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email and click on the confirmation link. Set up your profile. Fill in your basic information, such as your name, company name, and phone number. Choose a plan. Select the RingCentral plan that best suits your needs and budget. Add users. If you have a team, invite them to join your account. Configure your phone system. Customize your phone system settings, including call forwarding, voicemail, and auto-attendant options. Integrate with other applications. Connect RingCentral with your favorite tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Salesforce. Tips and tricks. Explore the dashboard. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the RingCentral dashboard and its various features. Utilize mobile apps. Download the RingCentral mobile app to stay connected on the go. Take advantage of support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to RingCentral's customer support team. Setting up your RingCentral account is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your communication and collaboration capabilities. By following these steps and taking advantage of the platform's features, you can streamline your workflow and improve your business efficiency. Ready to give RingCentral a try? Visit their website today and start your free trial. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.